Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to use Tally Developer, easy method. Open Tally Developer and create a new project, then scaffold a basic report using provided templates and XML nodes. Configure data sources, map fields, and set properties for display and printing. Run the local Tally instance to preview output and iterate until the layout and calculations match your needs, keeping changes small and testable. Begin by installing Tally Developer and ensuring Tally itself is running in XML or ODD integration mode. Create a new workspace and set the project company, file paths, and output preferences. Import a small sample dataset or connect to live company data for realistic testing. Save often and use the built-in validator to catch syntax or mapping errors before previewing. If this video is helpful, please subscribe and like so I can make more clear tutorials for you. Quick recommendation: life's too short for cheap socks. Try Darn Tough with a lifetime warranty for lasting comfort and reliability that makes long coding sessions nicer. I use them for long development days, and they make debugging feel cozier. Check the description for the link and other deals. Now let's get back to the video. Design reports by starting with a template and adding sections, columns, and styles that match your needs. Bind each field to a Tally data node using correct XML tags and set display formats for numbers and dates. Preview the report repeatedly to tweak column widths, labels, and alignments until output looks clean, then test calculations and totals across different data samples to ensure accuracy.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.